Dongguan Eversoul Silicone Products Company Limited is an ISO 9001 and SEDEX certified manufacturer. Located in Dongguan, our company covers 15,000 square meters of floor space and employs around 150 staff. Eversoul is a modern manufacturer dedicated to research, development, production, and sales of silicone kitchen products, silicone baby products, silicone outdoor products, and plastic products. We have design department and molding department. We are able to customize and design silicone or plastic product molds for our customers. Eversoul has strict QC processes. All raw materials have SGS-approved certificates. Our machines are examined and updated regularly. Our workers are thoroughly trained before they can operate the machines. Eversoul pays great attention to new product design and invention. We have helped more than 500 customers from all over the world to design and develop their own new products. More than 100 patents have been applied for the new designs. Eversoul is also a factory pays great concern on environmental protection and safety in production. There are systematic and meticulous guidelines in the treatment of possible pollutants discharged. We have effective management practices to ensure production safety. Our objective is to set up a green, environmentally friendly, and harmonious factory and make more contribution to the society. So far, we have long-term cooperation customers from more than 70 countries around the world. Your OEM and ODM orders is warmly welcomed.